Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by stabilizing the trailer and establishing a safe work area. Jack the frame just enough to lift weight off the axle and place rated jack stands under solid cross members. Make sure load is supported before you touch the bent section. Once done, remove cargo and inspect the bend closely. Measure offset and note cracks or crushed metal so you know whether to straighten or cut. You'll use measured reference points and straight edges to track progress as you proceed. Once the area is prepped and heated to reduce springback, position a hydraulic ram or come-along between solid anchor points and the bent section. You apply controlled, incremental pressure, pause, cool, and remeasure frequently because sudden force can crack metal. Make sure to keep the frame square by using cross measurements and a level. If the flange is crushed, edge weld a plate and hammer to shape before final welding. After straightening, add gussets to restore strength and prevent recurrence. You finish by dressing welds, applying corrosion primer, and repainting to protect repairs. Then torque axle and suspension bolts to factory specs. Once reassembled, verify alignment with a string line and diagonal measures and perform a short, light toe test to confirm tracking. If you notice persistent cracks, progressive bending, or the frame remains off by more than about 10% of original dimensions, stop and either cut out and replace the section.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.